Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lummel. Got a new stock here for you, LB, Land Bridge Company, LLC, and I'll give you a few more details on it here in a minute. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Now this is a very uncommon pattern. It's called a Deuterium pattern. There's two breeds, actually 2 or 3 breeds of a Deuterium pattern. It's all based on cycles and momentum and price action, actually pattern quality within price action. And this one is the rarest of them, where you have a big gain going into a TM1 cycle pullback. It's about a 325% plus gain there. And then you get a pullback on the TM1 cycle, and you get a soft landing pullback off of that. So far we got 2 parts of it here. Third part is a breakout of that pivot high. Within that pullback right here, we want to be generally within 75 to 85% of that prior pivot. And so when you get a nice soft landing pullback like this, and if this stays of that quality, and we start to take out that $75 psychological price point there, you can see in the pullback from that big gain, despite that big gain, you had a support coming in at that $50 psychological price point just above it. And so right now we're dealing with the $75 PPP. Again, when you have such a huge gain off of that initial run, and you very quickly recover on a TM1 cycle, and generally speaking, when you get this kind of a gain, you're going to expect at least 2 to 3, maybe 4 months of consolidation. But right now it's suggesting at the TM1 cycle it's going to take that out right away. Now, what I've seen on some of these types of setups in the past, you have 100-200% gain here in a few months off of that. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen here. I'm telling you what the prior cycles have done in this particular big gain, soft landing pullback off the TM1 cycle. In fact, I've seen a 300% gainer. Now it was in a lower price range in a $25 area on the launch. It was a 330% gain on AXSM. So we'll see if this holds up, and I think what's probably driving it is the news coming out next week, the inauguration of Trump, and them being very friendly to fossil fuels. So that could be what's driving it. So may have quick resolution here in the next couple weeks on news with the energy sector from that. So continue watching, but if this pullback holds and takes out that 75 PPP psychological price point, this thing could rocket. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bighoonatradingclub.club/lingo. So basically what you have here, now that you have the channel set, so you just refresher if you haven't seen this part of the training, this is a CH1 down here, start of the channel. CH2 is the north side of a channel in an uptrend, and then CH3 is the south side of a channel in an uptrend. Didn't quite get down to the lower part of the channel. That's actually a sign of strength. And then you target either the north channel or extensions of the north channel. Now the extension of this channel is going to be north of probably about 150 or so. I can't pull it down in this particular platform, but a lot of times it will target that one extension. I've seen 2 and 3 extensions easily on some of these really hot stocks. So just be aware of that. We can get outside of this channel line here. If we take out the north channel, and the next stop is the X channel, probably again close to $150 over on this side of it. But again, really good looking chart, and the key is we're going to find out in the next several days to a few weeks whether this $75 PPP is going to get taken out and that TM1 cycle. If in fact it does, this one's off the races. Could be a really big gain, especially with the news coming ahead with the inauguration and the new energy policies coming out of the Trump administration. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtrading.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.